Good morning, everyone. It is minus 13 here in Fort McMurray and minus 12. Oh, I'm sorry. It's minus 12 and minus 13 with the wind today. Getting it all backwards. Lack of sleep thereof. My leg was keeping me awake all most of the night. I did look out earlier this morning. Oh, and you see over there, blue skies. And then all this cloud cover rolled in. But it's nice, it's not so cold today, which is really, really nice. So yeah, I'm feeling a little bit misplaced this morning. This is Tuesday. I already worked a half day yesterday, and it feels like it should be Wednesday. Because I usually work a Tuesday till Saturday shift. And today seems like, oh my God, this week is going to be a weird week. So this week though, it's supposed to get up into as high as +6 in the daytime. So I'm hoping my leg gets a little bit better so I can start walking, because yeah, it's been really bad the past couple of days. Beautiful blue skies. I love the skies. Really blue. Look at that, folks. Isn't that gorgeous? Seeing the blue. Just pull right through, maybe it will. Park for another day. Well, I hope everyone has a great day today, no matter where you are. May the sun shine down upon you. I really don't have much of a rant to say today. I'm sorry. I do not always be thinking, I guess. I don't have something to say every day. But anyway, I hope everyone has a great and wonderful day today. As always, I say go and see your moms and your dads. It's so important, you know, because it's not easy when you have reared up your kids and, you know, you put so much time in with them and all that, and then all of a sudden they're grown up and they're not babies no more, or they're not young teenagers or whatever, and then your house is so empty. I think I said one time before, when my kids were in high school, my son used to have anywhere like at least 16 kids in the house every day. And I used to beg him, I used to say, oh, like, you know, less would be more, I could do more for you. You just keep it down to a couple days a week instead of every day. But you know, now that they're not there, it's a lot quieter, and you kind of wish sometimes those days back. You don't know what you got till it's gone. So yeah. Anyway, folks, I wish everyone a wonderful and great day. Wherever you are, remember to keep the Israeli hostages in your prayers. They are, Israel did offer a 2-month ceasefire on the condition that they get back all their hostages. And it's up to Hamas now whether to accept it or not. So we'll see. So remember to keep the hostages in your prayers, and for all the people, innocents that are around. There's innocents everywhere we go, right? So please keep them in your prayers. Yeah. So love your spouses, love your friends, your kids, and remember to always say hello to someone you don't meet today, or you meet today and that you may not know, and smile at them, because you could be the only one that could be smiling at them or talking to them today, and you could be the one that makes their day. Anyway, folks, take care, God bless, and we'll see you in tomorrow's video. Bye-bye.